All right, now that other job was a success, I've got to do a little cutting of PVC pipe, and I thought I'd change or share with you. I've been looking to get a PVC pipe cutter for a little while now, and I never bit the bullet on it, but I have a little project to do down in the basement where I'm going to take the overflow or the pressure relief valve water from going on the floor. I'm going to direct it over and down into my condensate pump, so I never have to worry about having any drips on the floor down there if that were to happen. So I ended up buying a Cobalt 2-inch PVC cutter because it'll cut pipe up to 2 3/8 inches outside diameter, and that's going to be for most 2-inch PVC pipe, I imagine. So I'm going to just open this up and give a very quick impression of it. It's very easy to open, and that's it. You just peel it off. I've never had one of these before, so I guess the blade pops open, you put your pipe in here, and you just kind of keep cranking on it until the pipe is cut, and it's a whole lot easier way of life than doing things the other way. So it has a little latch at the bottom that snaps in so it doesn't leave the blade exposed. And I guess this is a little marker here if you want to scratch your pipe, but I'm not really sure. But anyway, it's a metal tool. Seems like it's pretty rugged. I'll put a link in the description to it in case you happen to have a need to get one. You'll see me trying it out a little later today on that project, and that way we'll actually see how it cuts. Thanks. Like and subscribe if you get a chance. Appreciate you taking a minute out of your time or day to take a look at the video or videos I make. So I appreciate it, and God bless.